Experience more with Boom J7. Double power amplifiers, boom player, smart touch, full metal hi-fi headsets, smart way to have fun. In this package there is some things that we can keep secrets. Let's discover the surprise. TECNO BOOM J7, amazing amplifier for audiophiles. Enjoy it! With TECNO BOOM J7, smart life is now. Everything is made in perfect harmony for give you more satisfaction. Let me show you. Power amplifiers for speaker, audiophile we love that. Back camera 8.0 MP with flash. You can also use those buttons for zoom or other things. Smooth scream, power amplifier for earphone. Enjoy your phone style. Now experience easy ways to use your mobile phone. Smart screen responds to your feeling very fast and very soft. Quick access to your favorite applications like music, camera or WhatsApp. On the black screen, swipe M to access to music. With Boom Player you can listen your favorite songs. Amazing amplifier for audiophile. For boom moments. On the black screen, swipe C to access to camera. Have big pleasure to take beautiful pictures. Back camera 8.0 MP with flash and front camera 2.0 MP. On the back screen, what's W to access to WhatsApp. Now enjoy your new product, TECNO BOOM J7.